Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel Live with View Sisters. My 1K is done, Alhamdulillah, from Allah. So after my mamu make me a cake. It's a chocolate cake and I love chocolates cakes, and you can make it in a house or even a birthday. It's very yummy. You can try to make yourself. It's very easy recipe, so let me tell you. Mousse beating the egg for 3 minutes until it gets foam. Beat. He's adding sugar. Sugary. I love sugar. Now he's beating. Beat. Until it becomes foam. Now add flour, cocoa powder and baking powder and mix. Lot of mix. Mix a lot. Mix. Now we will add butter and vanilla essence and buttery, yummy. I love buttery. Gooey. Sit well. It's buttery. Then put it in a mold